Look, I have to get back into filming because I'm a little rusty. Last time I picked up the camera was like a few days ago. So yeah, right now I'm at the park and I'm about to do some yoga. It is fall, but we've been having a few hot days and today is that day. It's hot as fuck. I have on sweatpants. It's gonna get cold later on, so I need to be prepared. Right now, I'm about to enjoy this beautiful weather. Baby, I put up a chance. I gotta do some grounding. Been here before, cause right now. I'm sweating like crazy, but I'm having a good yoga session. I'm probably gonna be out here for the rest of the day. It gets dark around like 5, so I'm probably gonna leave around that time and then get some sushi after this. I'm just going to continue to enjoy my yoga session, continue to enjoy nature, you know, have my feet in the ground, do some grounding. I also have my speaker out here too, so I'm definitely vibing.
Scared to say too much. Scared of not saying enough. Thought you had no more time words. The way you seems there enough. I smoked too many cigarettes, baby. We used to know my lips is good. Now I'm like wine, but don't bite it twice. It is you saying I should.
Such a good day. The sun is out. I'm basically at my playground. Like, nature is my playground and I'm having a marvelous time. I'm listening to my music, you know, I'm doing some grounding, practicing more poses, having a good time today. y'all stayed this long, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just me being outside enjoying nature. Let me just say, I know I haven't been on here in like, I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a few months though. Hopefully I'm back. It's like when I'm interested in something new, that takes up all my time. So yoga has been taking up my time and I've been enjoying it. It's been helping me, you know, physically and mentally. So yeah, I'm really thankful that yoga came to me and changed my life for me to become a better person. Yeah, that's why I've been MIA so much, because I'm just enjoying life. But yeah, I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me. I do see a few people subscribe to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're gonna love it over here. But no, thank y'all so much for supporting your girl. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the sunset.